I have seen people saying affiliate marketing is hard. Affiliate marketing is not legit just because they are failing, but people are failing because of their ignorance, not getting the basics right, and being misguided. If you're thinking you are doing the hard work but don't know why you're failing, this episode for you. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 questions to affiliate marketing success. Hi, I'm Suneel Hegde. I'm a digital entrepreneur and founder of Dream Lifestyle Hub. Now, let's get into the topic. Although here I'm focusing on affiliate marketing, you can apply these 3 questions to any business, any profession. So if you want to be successful anywhere, getting the answers right to these questions is very, very important. First, I'm going to walk you through these 3 questions. I strongly recommend you sit in a place where there is no distraction so that you can introspect and start writing answers to these questions. Yeah. Then, if you stay till the end, I am going to bless you with a gift. Now, let's look at the question number 1, which is, why do you exist? Is there a need for what you do? I've seen many people, they just start promoting something because they are passionate about. They bring a solution, they create a business just because they are expert in that. That is not how it works. You need to ask this basic question, which is, why do you exist? Is there a need for what you do? If there is no need for a solution which you're bringing, there is no question of creating a business out of it. So ask yourself, why do you exist? Is there a need for what you do? Yeah. And the next question is, why should anybody care? Do people need your solution? In the first place, who are you? Why should people trust you? Do people ready to pay for your solution? If they are not, then whatever you bring, whatever the service or the solution, how awesome it might be, you will not be able to create a business out of it. Either it will be a hobby or you can run as a non-profit organization. Yeah. Then the third question is, how difficult it is to replace you. Yeah, how hard it is to replace you. This is where your unique positioning will come into picture. Let me give you an example. General doctor versus a surgeon. If you're a general doctor, it is very easy to replace you. But if you're a specialist, if you're a surgeon, it is not easy to replace you. It is very important. That's why you don't want to be a generalist. If you're a generalist, there is a cutthroat competition and people will replaceable. Yeah. So it is very important. You need to ask these 3 questions. For your better understanding, let me apply these 3 questions in my case and help you understand what exactly expected out of these questions. So the first question is, why do I exist? I'm an expert in affiliate marketing and traffic generation. By using methods such as hub-based business model, ecosystem creation, tribe building, and right traffic strategies, I help you create super profitable affiliate marketing business. Is there a need for what I do? Definitely, there is a huge demand for this. If someone is going to teach the right method and help someone to succeed and get results, there is a huge demand. Yeah. And the next question is, why should anybody care? I have used these methods. I've seen failures. I've seen ups and downs and know exactly what works and what does not work. Yeah, that is the same thing I'm teaching in my YouTube videos. I'm teaching in my courses. Do people need my solution? You already know the answer. Definitely yes. And people are ready to pay any amount to get such a golden nuggets. Yeah. And how difficult it is to replace you. That is where the unique positioning comes into picture. I do not spam my affiliate links everywhere. Yeah. I first give the education, then engage with the people. I build my tribe, then I offer the solution to them. So it is very important. You need to answer for your business, whatever you're going to promote, any business for that matter. Affiliate marketing is the focus here. That's why I have given my example, but you can apply these 3 questions and Go through this video multiple times and answer to these three questions if you really want to be successful and do not want to fail. Yeah. So these are the three questions. Let's just recap. Why do you exist? Is there a need for what you do? And the second question is, why should anybody care? Why should they trust you? Do people need your solution? Are they ready to pay for your solution? And the third question is, how difficult it is to replace you. Yeah. Now it is a time for the gift. I am going to gift you my ebook Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. Very, very invaluable information I have given over there. In the description, I have given the link. You can go to that link and download the ebook. Yeah. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, how it works, and go deep into it, click or tap on your screen to watch my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Until we meet next time, take care and bye-bye.